Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Subaru Outback. This one is green. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 256 horsepower, 18-inch multi-spoke wheels, beige leather interior, sunroof, rear heated seats, Subaru all-wheel drive Outback 3.6R badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down 60/40 seats, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, heated seats, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Subaru has 24,304 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the Subaru Outback, visit us at feldmannimports.com.